In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best baby food makers. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best baby food makers. Number 5. Chefhandy Baby Food Processor. The Chefhandy Baby Food Processor stands out with its 5-in-1 functionality, combining steaming, blending, warming, and more into a single device. This processor's touchscreen control makes it easy to use, enabling you to switch between functions effortlessly. It includes a convenient steaming basket that keeps food separated and nutritious while cooking. The Chefhandy Baby Food Processor has an auto cooking and grinding feature, which takes the guesswork out of preparation, so you can spend more time enjoying mealtime with your baby. Designed for easy cleanup, this model features dishwasher-safe parts, making maintenance hassle-free. Its compact all-in-one design fits into any kitchen setup, and the multi-purpose functionality means fewer appliances are needed, making it an efficient choice for any household. Number 4. EVLA's Baby Food Maker. EVLA's Baby Food Maker is perfect for parents looking to make homemade baby food that's healthy and convenient. This machine features touchscreen controls allowing easy steaming, blending, and reheating in a few quick taps. Its efficient design lets you make healthy meals in minutes, preserving all essential nutrients while providing optimal texture and flavor. The EVLA's Baby Food Maker also comes with 6 reusable food pouches, perfect for storing meals in the fridge or taking them on the go. In addition to its user-friendly interface, EVLA's is known for its commitment to safety, with BPA-free materials and easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe parts. This highly versatile food maker enables parents to create meals with different textures, from silky purees to chunkier blends, which are ideal for helping little ones transition to solid foods. Number 3. Baby Brezza One-Step Baby Food Maker Deluxe. The Baby Brezza One-Step Baby Food Maker Deluxe takes the hassle out of making baby food with its fully automated steaming and blending functions. This all-in-one machine requires minimal steps. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and the Baby Brezza handles the rest. Its auto shut-off feature adds an extra level of safety, ensuring the machine stops when cooking is complete. With its compact design, it fits easily on any kitchen countertop. And since it's dishwasher safe, cleaning up after meal prep is effortless. This Baby Brezza model comes with a set of 3 pouches and funnels, making it easy to store and serve baby food on the go. The Baby Brezza is perfect for parents who want quick, no-fuss baby food prep while keeping nutritional quality high. With a well-built design and simple controls, this food maker saves time without compromising on health. Number 2. Nutribullet Baby Bullet Blender. The Nutribullet Baby Bullet Blender brings the brand's iconic ease of use to baby food preparation. With its 32-ounce capacity, it's built for making large portions, which can be conveniently stored for future meals. Nutribullet's signature blending system handles soft foods to more textured blends, so you can introduce your baby to various food consistencies. It comes with a set of storage cups and lids, so you can prep, blend, and store all in one go. The efficient design allows you to create nutritious meals quickly, with no extra appliances required. This food-making system also includes a freezer tray for easy meal planning, so you can keep homemade options ready. Cleanup is simple, as most parts are dishwasher safe, and the components are designed to be intuitive to assemble and take apart. Number 1. Beaba babycook Solo Baby Food Maker. The Beaba babycook Solo Baby Food Maker is great for parents looking to make healthy, homemade baby food without stress. This machine handles every part of the process, from steaming to blending, in a single, compact device. With a generous 4.5 cup capacity, it's perfect for preparing large batches to freeze for later, or those daily fresh meals. Plus, its 15-minute cooking time and one-handed operation make it incredibly convenient, even with a little one in tow. The steamer keeps nutrients locked in, so you can feel confident you're offering the best in taste and nutrition to your baby. Cleaning is easy with dishwasher-safe parts, and Beaba's thoughtful design makes assembly and disassembly simple. It's ideal for purees, mashes, and transitioning to chunkier foods, as the babycook Solo can handle different textures effortlessly. For any parent focused on providing nutritious homemade meals, the Beaba babycook Solo makes an excellent choice, offering a streamlined, user-friendly experience from start to finish. That's it for our top baby food maker picks. Now you can give your little one fresh, nutritious meals with just the press of a button. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.